Hey there, welcome to my channel. I came up with the cutest Christmas gift that's under $10, but it looks more expensive than that. You'll want to make one of these for everyone you know. So let me show you this. This is called Blind Date with a Book, and this is the current trend right now. If you go on Etsy, I made these for my craft fair, and these were the Halloween edition. So the idea behind these is you buy these as gifts for people, but you don't know what the title of the book is, and neither do they until they open it. I did write fiction teen, so the person buying this would know that, okay, this is a fictional story and it's for a teenager. Some of them said adult. But I got thinking, you know what? What about people out there who want to give something similar to this, but maybe they want to know the name of the book that they're giving away as a gift? So that's how I came up with my idea. Okay. And I'm calling this the Cozy Date with a Book Kit. Okay. So I'll show you everything that is included, and then I'll put one together so you can see how easy it is. It's simple. And then I will show you the price, and then I will put all the links in my description box. You're going to want to make these for every person that you know for Christmas. Okay, so you need a bag, a packet of cocoa mix. I get Swiss Miss. One of these cute marshmallows. These are at Walmart, and they come in 12 in a bag. A reading list, so the person can keep track of the books they read. A pair of cozy socks. An at-home spa facial mask. A Hershey candy bar. Some microwave popcorn. And a book. You guys, all this, you can make all of this as a gift for under $10. And it looks much more expensive than $10. So, to begin with, let's start with the book, okay? There is an online bookstore called World of Books. And what I did was, to find these, I Googled and I said, Christmas books, bulk, cheap prices. So this is how I found this company, and there were several to pick from of the books. I have some more coming in the mail. This one is called The Christmas Secret, and these are slightly used, but as you can see, it's in really good shape. Really good shape. And this is a thick book. It is 484 pages, okay? So we're just going to take our bag. All right. Open up your bag. And the bags come from Amazon. I'll put the link. You want to put your book in front so that the person receiving this gift can see right away what it is. And then just start adding your contents. And it doesn't matter what you put in what order. Popcorn, socks, throw in your cocoa mix. The cocoa and the popcorn I get in bulk from Walmart. You'll see my list. I'll put everything and where I got it in the description, and then I will link what I can. Some of the things from Walmart, I don't think I'll need to link. You can just go find it. It's easy. Okay, let's put the reading list. See, if you put it in front, it's going to cover up the book. But let's just put it behind, okay? And then the marshmallow can just tuck right there, okay? And then I had just some caramels that I bought from Dollar Tree, and I just took 3 and I just sprinkled them in there. And then the shred I got at Hobby Lobby. So you just want to take some shred and just put in here. I love the red and green because it's so festive. And tuck some down in the side there, okay? And I'll let you see this when I get done from a front view. Tuck some more down on the side. Now I recommend not putting shred in the front because you don't want to cover up the book. Okay, so that's enough right there. Then I just got some ribbon from Hobby Lobby. Well, I actually had this on hand because I bought it last year on clearance after Christmas at Hobby Lobby. But now you want to tie your handles together, and then you can add your own to and from tag on here. So I just like, because these are already curled, I just tie them in a knot. But if you don't have the ribbon that's curled, you'll want to probably tie a bow. It's not going to matter. And it's coming apart. So let's see. Anyway, I need to fix that, but you get the idea. And that is it, you guys. Now let me show you the breakdown here, okay? All right. The clear vinyl bag. So everything here is pretty much in bulk, okay? The bags from Amazon, they break down to 77 cents a piece. The shred, I figured about 33 cents. The book is $2.99. If you order a certain amount, you get free shipping. The reading list, you know, the log, was 8 cents. Those come in a pack of 100. And if you don't need all 100, then share them with a friend, or maybe get with your friends and have a little party and everybody make these and everybody, you know, share the ingredients. That'd be fun. Swiss Miss, 30 cents. The Marshmallow, 33 cents. Hershey's Candy Bar, 66 cents. Spa Mask, $1.50 from Amazon. I'll show you that in the link. Socks, Dollar Tree. Or I got mine online at Amazon. Miscellaneous candy, that was the caramels. And then a bag of popcorn, 38 cents. Here's the total, $9.01. Now, none of this includes tax or if you have to pay shipping on the books, okay? But look at that. For $9.01 plus a little bit of tax, you can make this adorable gift for people for Christmas. And they even have children's books too at the World of Books. So, okay, all the links will be below. I hope I've given you a great idea for some fun Christmas gifts. I think it'd be really fun to get a whole bunch of people together and buy this in bulk, and everybody make a bunch for all the people on their Christmas list. So thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Please come back and subscribe. Thank you.